we are united because we will not compromise about any step taken by the government to erase the name of Manipur, to attack on the identity of Manipur. As a convener of Delhi Meitei Coordinating Committee, I, on behalf of the Meitei people living in Delhi, would like to condemn the police atrocities on the mothers of Manipur. Today, one of the movement which was actually announced by the COCOMI, since the governor of Manipur has failed to explain and apologize to the people of Manipur, and also the chief secretary, DGP, and the security advisor has failed to resign from their respective posts. Manipur mothers are forced to come on the street, and today's protest. Two women have been seriously injured by the police action. Delhi Meitei Coordinating Committee strongly condemned that police action and also urged the governor to apologize as soon as possible, and also the three responsible person of the Manipur government, respectively, Mr. The Chief Secretary of Manipur, Governor, the DGP of Manipur, and also the Security Advisor. The time has come that you actually need to resign and say to the to the public apology to the people of Manipur. With this word, I would also want to condemn the behaviors and the activities of the elected members of Manipur. Manipur, we have 60 elected members, but 10 of the elected members have been trying to divide Manipur under the name of separate administration. But at least we have 50 MLAs so far. But these 50 MLAs have not come out as a strong voice to protect the idea of Manipur, because what happened on the last week, that the army have forced to remove the name of Manipur from the state corporation is completely unacceptable. And also the MLAs and the elected member and the former chief minister and all the cabinet ministers, they are supposed to come out, and unfortunately they have not even convened a meeting of all the elected members. This is strongly condemnable, because they are now just like acting as a simple citizen. The former chief minister have sent a message to the Facebook, to his Facebook, and Mr. Govindas, the former minister, also sent a Facebook post, and another MLA also write a individual letter to the governor. But this is not the time that every individual are doing separate work. This is the time that they need to sit together and come out and pressurize to the government of India that you cannot erase the name of Manipur. This is the time all the opposition party, irrespective of the party they belong to, even the Congress MLAs or even the BJP MLAs and other political parties member, they need to sit together and come out as and they need to actually do something that we are united, because we will not compromise about any step taken by the government to erase the name of Manipur, to attack on the identity of Manipur. This is the time, but they failed to do so. With this failure, now we ask all of the MLAs to resign immediately, because they are incompetent. They are incompetent MLAs. They are imperfect, and they are very coward MLAs of Manipur. Because of their cowardness, because of their inaction, the mothers are forced to come on the street. They are facing the atrocities of the security forces, and all things is actually responsibility should be taken by these elected members. The security forces restricted the farmers, that they were not allowed to do farming their own farmland. They were told that they need to get permission from the official. But we want to ask that from where they need to get permission from the official to do farming their own land, their own pata land. So they are saying that the cookie might the fire sniper from the hills. But unfortunately, instead of taking action against these cookie militant who are actually making station with the bunkers in the hills, they are restricting the villagers. So it is unprecedented, because this is not, this is actually a clear sign that the government of India and the security forces are openly supporting the terrorism and Kuki militants in Manipur, and they are also supporting this, they are also implementing this so-called buffer zone, so that the community cannot cross each other. This is unacceptable. That is why we strongly oppose such kind of activities and such kind of suppression on the farmers in Manipur. And the third point I would like to stand today with Mr. Asang Kasar, and he is the president of the Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur, and because of his activities to bring coexistence of all the communities in Manipur, the Kukizau communities, they felt threatened, and they actually intimidated on him, and they threatened Asang Kasar. So we strongly condemn the kind of threatening on Asang Kasar. So we standing for him. Delhi Meche Coordinating Committee expressed our standing for Tamo Asang Kasar, and we will continue to support him. And the government should take all the responsibility, all the measures to protect, to all kind of security measures for Mr. Asang Kasar, because he is a very precious man. He has been doing a lot of good activities to bring peace and also peaceful coexistence in Manipur. With these few words, Delhi Meche, we would like to tell again and again that Delhi Meche Coordinating Committee would support the people's agitation which is going on in Manipur, and we will always be inspired by these mothers active standing for Manipur. So long live Manipur, and we will stand for Manipur, and government should not try to erase the identity of Manipur. And I will also want to report to you, to all the national media people and all the people in this country who love India so much, that yesterday at one of the village in Kaksing called the name what is it, this Irok, many villages are now coming out, and now they are saying that they are asking a big question, that whether are we a part of India, and we will not respect Indian flag. And if you are not, if you are trying to erase the name of Manipur, then we will also erase the name of India from the soil of Manipur. So public just try to understand what people are facing, what people started feeling in case of Manipur, because of your 2 years longs of neglect and also atrocities, suppression by the government, and not listening to the voice of the people. Now people started saying that we will not be part of India if you are continuing to support the Kuki militant, and if you are also trying to abolish the name of Manipur, then they are saying that they will abolish the name of India from the soil of Hairok district. This is the first village people are saying, but if this problem is not solved, then I'm afraid that many people from all the villages from Manipur will start saying that they are not, whether it is the fault of the people of Manipur that they are being part of India. So the time are still there that the government should step in, and the government should actually force to resign this incompetent governor, incompetent security advisor, DGP, and also the chief secretary. And governors should immediately come and apologize to the people of Manipur that they have done some miserable wrong in case of Manipur. And the Prime Minister and Home Minister and Defense Minister, you should actually not be a silent spectator. You should come out and try to intervene so that we can save Manipur, we can save India.